Hello, my loves. It's Kasha Plannerista 101. Today we're going to be creating a spread in my catch-all. And in my town, they are celebrating 4th of July, the weekend of the 1st and the 2nd. So I'm going to be creating a 4th of July spread. I'm using several books. So I'm going to be using the red book from Live Love Posh. I was thinking about the blue one, but that's not going to happen. And I'm going to be using Retro Holidays from Live Love Posh and the Go Wild sticker book from Mojo Jojo, mostly because it has beautiful navy blue boxes in there. So first is first, welcome to my channel. I hope that you guys are enjoying yourself, and thank you so much for joining me today and creating spreads. So here we go. I'm gonna place this car first. Look how cute. Oh my gosh. Is that Bronco? I think it's a Bronco. We'll see. Okay, I'm gonna keep going. I need some checklists because, as always, this is super functional. This planner is called The Botanicals, and it is my July planner still. So just so you guys know, I will be doing my July planner lineup soon, just not yet. I was on vacation, so I'm trying to catch up. It is so difficult, especially when you have a 9-to-5 job. So we'll see what happens. But for right now, I'm going to focus on this spread. So I use the red checklists from Live Love Posh, the red book, and then the blue ones are from the Go Wild Mojo Jojo, and that's kind of how I'm going to be sticking to those colors. So bear with me. As always, I really want to have a lot of checklists because that's a thing that I really like having. And here, and let's see, let's do these flowers too. So I'm going to go ahead and remove the line on the bottom just slightly, and we're going to play with flowers up here. So I'm going to start with a corner piece. As always, I think that's the best way to do it for me. So I'm going to go ahead and add that like so. I think that looks great. And I'm going to just move along. Yes, I pull out my pages. I don't know why, but I do. So it's just so much easier for me to do it that way. Okay, let's use undo because clearly not happening any other way, right? There we go. Such a magic little tool to have. I think everybody should have undo if you're a planner. Okay, I'm going to cut this up just a little bit and put it down like so, kind of build this up a little bit. Taller, shorter, kind of all over the place. I really don't mind. I'm going to cut this in half again, and then that will go right there. And put that right over that checklist. I think that looks good, and now I can place the car on top of the flowers. Yes, I still want the car, I know. Look how perfect these blue and red flowers are from Live Love Posh Red Blooms. It is so adorable. I'm going to be framing some of these to-do lists like so with the edged florals, and then we're going to go back to the retro holidays and add some things in here. I'm gonna add some of these fireworks. I think um, that's gonna be fun. I love fireworks. I don't know about you guys, but I am a pretty big lover of fireworks here. When is your town doing fireworks this year? Since it does fall on a weird, like Tuesday, so I wanna know when when are you celebrating? Are you actually celebrating on the 4th? Are you celebrating that weekend? Like, what is your plan? I'm adding these little tiny boxes. That's for my work schedule. I usually put it in here so I can keep track of my hours, and then we'll go from there. So I want to add a few more fun elements. I want to add that coffee. That's kind of like that retro vibe as well. And then we're going to add an airplane. I don't know why, but I feel like it should be there. Flying in the sky above or below the fireworks. I bet that the view from the plane have to be incredible, right? I'm gonna add this little rainbow. This book is so fun, and it's a little bit different than what I'm normally used to. I'm used to very modern 4th of July stickers. This is definitely a little bit more old style, and it's kind of fun, right, to combine it and see it in a different way. Okay, I'm gonna keep adding just a few more things and we'll be done very soon. I'm gonna add a couple stars up here to fill up that white space. As you guys know, my spreads, I like them very, very full. I'm gonna add that American flag up here. Let's add ice cream or popsicles, or not sure what to call it. I do want to add few more of the elements here, but before I do, I want to add boxes as well. So give me a second, and I'm gonna add a few boxes to put down my plans, not only to-do lists. So I'm just adding boxes throughout the spread, and then once I do, this one is from the Live Love Posh Red Blooms. So again, it's gonna be a little bit of fun to play with these. I'm gonna add a red one right there, one here, and then I'm gonna add that firework right there. Okay, I think I still need a box for Sunday because I'm thinking I'm gonna use this red one for Saturday. Let me add one more and then I shall be pretty much done with the spread. Let me know what you think. And thank you so much for joining me today. I hope you guys had fun. I know this is a little bit different. Again, let me know what your plans are for 4th of July, and I'll see you guys very soon. Bye.